Hello and welcome to Fields BMW Lakeland. This is Nathan Briceland with your Genius Team. And today we're going to look at a BMW 530e and how to change the charging rate. BMW has built this functionality into the vehicles so that depending upon your home electrical system, you can reduce the load that charging the vehicle does. But by doing this, it does extend out the amount of time it takes to charge. So you have three different levels here, and we're going to take a look at those. So we're going to come over here to the iDrive screen. And to find that, we're going to look under My Vehicle and Plan Charging Climate Control, and then Settings Charging Current right here. So currently we're set to max, which is the most rapid charging. You also have a reduced, let me try and back up here so we can kind of get focused, reduced as well as low. Now, these do take longer. Reduced takes roughly twice as long as maximum. Low takes twice as long as reduced. So if you have a house that it does not allow you to charge it at maximum, you can try the reduced. You can then try the low if it's popping a fuse or so in your breaker box. But this is also something you want to check just in case your new iPerformance vehicle seems to be taking longer to charge. If it's set to low, which I believe is actually the factory default, it will take a longer time to charge. So you do want to check this just to see if your charging times are taking a little longer than expected. So please, if you have any questions, give us a call at 863-816-1234 or stop on by just off exit 33 on I-4 at 4285 Lakeland Park Drive here in beautiful Lakeland, Florida. This has been Nathan, and have a nice day.